Which retail sources and support networks benefit small or new pest control businesses? Shop owner-operated pest supply stores and join local professional groups for real-time advice and sourcing. Start with owner-operated pest supply stores because they combine product availability with hands-on expertise that chains often lack. When you visit, describe your typical service calls and ask specifically which formulations and application tools match your workload and local pest pressures. Use owner pricing and small business terms to negotiate bulk discounts or deferred payment on essential items like personal protective equipment and baiting systems. Build a supplier relationship by giving regular, predictable order patterns and asking for product demonstrations or walkthroughs on safe mixing and disposal. Attend local pest management association meetings to hear regulator updates, regional pest trends, and peer-recommended products that actually work on nearby species. Find a mentor at those meetings or through store owners who will review your application techniques and recommend best practices for environmental stewardship. A common mistake is buying into the cheapest products without checking efficacy and label allowances, which leads to poor control and wasted time. So always verify label directions and request trial size options or return policies. Another issue is not documenting supplier communications, which complicates repeat orders and warranty claims, so keep a simple ledger or digital note with contact names, order history, and batch numbers. New operators also underestimate the value of community advice and try to do everything alone, which slows learning, so actively ask questions at meetings, participate in forums, and schedule ride-alongs with experienced technicians. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by making it easier to find local pest control professionals and sourcing advice related to services and supplies. We host a discussion community where both homeowners and contractors share experiences, recommendations, and local supplier tips to help everyone make better decisions.